Welcome back to Elder Wisdom, your go-to channel for life tips, home hacks, and inspiring content for seniors living their best lives. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of amazing seniors who believe in living clutter-free and stress-free. Number 1, start with the bed. 1:30, 2:30. First things first, they make the bed. Yes, it's simple, but it's the fastest way to make a bedroom look organized. Plus, it creates a sense of accomplishment first thing in the morning. A made bed instantly makes the whole room feel cleaner and more put together. Number 2, a 5-minute tidy up. 2:30, 3:30. Seniors with clean homes don't wait for clutter to pile up. They spend just 5 minutes tidying up before leaving a room, whether it's putting away shoes, folding a blanket, or tossing newspapers in the recycle bin. These tiny actions add up. Number 3, daily surface cleaning. 3:30, 4:30. Every day they wipe down surfaces, kitchen counters, bathroom sinks, and coffee tables. A quick wipe with a disinfectant keeps dust, crumbs, and grime from building up. This keeps everything looking fresh without a deep clean. Number 4, no dirty dishes. 4:30, 5:30. Before heading to bed, they always wash the dishes. Nothing makes a home feel messier than a sink full of dirty dishes. Taking just 5 minutes to wash or load the dishwasher makes a huge difference in the overall feel of the home. Number 5, floors first. 5:30, 6:30. Clean floors are a must. Seniors with tidy homes do a quick sweep or vacuum of the main areas daily, especially the kitchen and living room. Even if you can't do the whole house, targeting high traffic zones keeps things looking cleaner. Number 6, minimalist mindset. 6:30, 7:30. They keep what they love and let go of the rest. Seniors with clutter-free homes know that less is more. If it doesn't serve a purpose or bring joy, it's time to say goodbye. This mindset not only keeps the home cleaner, but also reduces stress. Number 7, 10-minute nightly cleanup. 7:30, 8:30. Before going to bed, they do a 10-minute tidy up. This includes fluffing pillows, folding blankets, and picking up anything that's out of place. It's a simple way to wake up to a cleaner, calmer space. Number 8, bathroom touch-up. 8:30, 9:30. Seniors with clean homes don't let the bathroom get out of hand. They take a minute each day to wipe down the sink, straighten towels, and check for clutter. It keeps the bathroom feeling guest-ready without a lot of effort. Number 9, fresh air. 9:30, 10:30. Every morning, they open the windows and let fresh air circulate. Even for just 5 minutes, this simple habit refreshes the entire house, eliminates stale odors, and creates a welcoming atmosphere. Number 10, a spot for everything. 10:30, 11:30. They make sure everything has a designated spot. Shoes go in the closet, keys go in a bowl, and mail gets sorted immediately. When everything has a home, clutter can't take over. Number 11, daily laundry load. 11:30, 12:30. Rather than letting laundry pile up, they do a small load each day. It's less overwhelming and keeps the laundry area organized and stress-free. Number 12, evening reflection. 12:30, 13:30. Before calling it a night, they take a moment to reflect on the day. They ask themselves, what went well today? What can I do better tomorrow? This simple practice helps them stay mindful and focused on maintaining a peaceful, clean home. And there you have it, 12 simple habits that keep senior homes feeling clean, calm, and clutter-free every day. Which habit are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want more practical tips and life hacks for seniors, hit that subscribe button and join the Elder Wisdom community today.